Hello everybody! So today I'm going to do a review of the MountDog Studio lights with a 3-color dimmable LED, 85 watt, 5700 Kelvin. So I got this light after watching Nolan over at Think Media recommended, and I highly recommend you go and check out their channel. And so let's take a look at this together. So first impressions of this product here. It's a lot smaller than I expected. So let's open it up and take a look inside. So as soon as we open it up, we see there is a free gift certificate of some kind. All right. And then there's an instruction manual. So really just quite simple there, looks like. And then if we open up the box, we see inside this, I assume, is one of the bulbs. Yep, one remote control with one of the bulbs. And then this looks like our carrying case. Okay, very nice. Looks pretty compact. And this bag looks like it's held together with some Velcro. So these are our soft boxes. And this must be the piece that diffuses the light on the front of the soft box. And that's exactly what this is. Okay, so this goes on the front of the softbox to diffuse the light. And let's take a look at the softbox. So it comes with a power adapter and a on-off switch. And this must be the other softbox. And then these must be the legs, the light stand. So I must say these are very light. I think I can hold it with just 2 fingers. Very light. Alright, so now let's try to put the softbox together. And if you find the contents of this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And also I'll have my affiliate link down in the description below so that you can know where to buy this product. So pretty easy, you just open up the softbox and then you just basically press this ring into the softbox and it locks in place. And then I just grab this bulb here and basically just screw it in. So the installation is really simple. That's it. Alright. Okay, so I managed to put the light together and it was a very easy installation process. So basically I just put the head onto the stand here and then basically it's just tightened with this knob here. I'd be careful not to twist it too hard. And then there is a light switch. So I was testing out the light before, and then if I forgot to turn on this switch here, then nothing goes on. And then so to make the light go up and down, there is these knobs here that allows you to make the light stand go up and down in height. These knobs here. And then the base. So at first I didn't get the base to open up fully, so it was very easy to tip over. And so even with the base fully extended, I can see it's pretty easy to tip over. So I'd be careful not to knock over the light by accident. So be very careful with it. And then the light just basically mounts on top like that. All right, So to put on the front piece, it's actually very simple. There is a little corner pouch on each corner of this piece of fabric here. So to put it on, I just need to align it, put it on here, and just put it inside the little pouch. And then there's Velcro on each side, so basically I just need to gently press into it so it holds in place, and that's it. So now we're going to test the lights and see how they look. And so I have them set to 50% right now on white light. So we're going to use this remote here, and we're going to play around with the different settings. So right now it's at 50% at white, and if I turn it down to 20%, this is what it looks like. I'm in a pitch black room right now, and the only two lights are the two lights that are here on my sides here. So if I press 100%, this will what it will look like. So this is very bright right now. I almost need to squint in order to see. So let's change it back to 50%, so more comfortable for my eyes. And let's press the warm button. So there's a warm button here. So that's what the lights look like when I press the warm button. And now let's try the cold button. So this is what it looks like with the cold setting. And I'm going to change it back to the white, which is what I prefer because it looks more like sunlight. And then we can also play around with the temperature of the lights. So there are two buttons here that changes the warmth and coolness of the lights. So now it turns more yellow, and I can adjust them like this. And I can also adjust the brightness and dimness just by pressing the up and down buttons here. So I counted them before. There's about 12 or 13 settings when I use the up and down like that. Okay, so I think they look pretty good. I actually like the colors of the lights very much. And so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.